days until Big Red's season opener against Fresno State, and the excitement is in the air, not just for the Husker faithful, but also for some recruits. Nebraska planning to host 3 5-star recruits on Saturday, including this guy right here, Donovan Peoples-Jones, announcing his official visit to Lincoln on Twitter today. He's one of the nation's top recruits and the #1 overall wide receiver, according to 24/7 Sports. Peoples-Jones will be joined by Foster Sarell, an offensive lineman from Washington, and Darnay Holmes, a defensive back from my neck of the woods over in Calabasas.